As you can see, my floor has some gap right here when I move, and I'm trying to use this wood glue to fill in the gap to see if it's still moving. You have to widen the gap a little bit in order to get the glue in, and not too much, just enough when you push it. If it's too much, it's gonna leave a mess. So I have my bottled water right here and some some paper to clean up. And now let me try to get it in. Okay, that has a little bit extra, just what? Gonna spray some water to make sure no residue is anything left. Okay, gonna go down here and repeat the process until I reach the wall. And when you get used to it, you can do a couple together. So these are the last few pieces left. Reach through the wall. I just fill with this also, and now just there's something.
So I get used to it. I just feel just enough. You can see nothing come up. See.
Okay, now I'm going to use some tape right here to just secure it temporarily over the night, so no accident. Recap what I did: wood glue, some water, paper towel to clean up with the trash on the side, and some tape to secure. And I will update you guys couple days later to see this thing moving, still moving or not. Okay, stay tuned.
Sorry.